When I saw this new iPhone update to Apple Notes, I knew I had to tell you about it because it is a huge game changer that's going to help you organize your thoughts and get things done a lot quicker in your business. So let's real quick hop into Notes so that I can show you everything that I've learned. The cool features and AI updates are going to help you save time and money in your business. So here we are within Apple Notes. I'm going to walk you through the new AI features that are now available. And once you see how much you can do within Notes, you are going to be shocked and amazed. So the first AI feature that I want to show you all is that you can take a paragraph of text. It could be from an article that you're reading, and then you can put it into Notes. It will then transform those notes into whatever you like. So I highlighted over the text. Once I did that, I'm now going to click this circle icon at the top. And it's going to say show writing tools. And so here you can change the tone of the text. You can make it friendly, professional, or concise. You can also summarize the text, have the text in bullet point format with key points. You can also have it as a list or a table. And so what I'm going to do real quick is copy this text so we can see it in different versions. And so I'm clicking summary. And so we then have the option to replace the text or copy the text. Because I have a new paragraph here, I'm going to hit replace text. And so it says, before forming an LLC with InkFile, decide on a business name, phone number, and email. Ensure the business name is available and consistent across platforms. And so what was about 7 sentences is now 2 sentences. Let's see what it says for the key points. And so in less than 5 seconds, it now has the information in bullet points. Now let's see how it will appear in list form. All right, and so we're checking items off a list. These would be the steps that we would need to follow in order to get the pre-LLC steps complete. And then lastly, I'm gonna copy this paragraph one more time, and I'm gonna ask the AI to put it in a table format. And so here you see the steps clearly listed out. So step 1, choose a business name. Step 2, set up a business phone number. And step 3, create a business email. And then it has a description for each one, and also tips to make sure that you can complete the step. And so in less than 2 minutes, we've been able to transform a paragraph into a summary, a list of key points, a bulleted step-by-step list, and a chart. And what's amazing is that the AI features within Notes doesn't even stop here. And so I want you to think about, as I'm walking you through the AI updates, how you can use AI to make your life easier. I want to know real quick, how are you feeling about AI? Are you up to date on all of the tools? Would you like me to share about the tools that I'm using personally in my business? Let me show you an even better update. And this is where we're going to transform what I'm saying out loud into text. And so you're going to click this button right here at the top that looks like an audio wave. Once you click on it, it's going to show up as a bubble called new recording. And this window is going to appear that allows you to record what you're going to say. So let me click the red button to start recording. Hello, this is a test. I am talking about how the AI updates have improved my overall experience within iPhone Notes and how I'm going to then use this in my everyday life as it helps me improve my day-to-day when it comes to how I conduct business. And so I'm super excited to use this tool and have it make my life easier. And so once you're done recording, you're gonna hit pause record, and then you can hit done once you're done. You're then gonna be able to click on the preview. The notes are going to be here. And so what's great is that I can play the recording and hear myself talk in addition to seeing the transcript. I don't know about you, but I feel like this is meta, hearing a recording of a recording. Let's play the recording and see how it sounds. So this is a test. I am talking about how the AI updates have improved my overall experience within iPhone Notes and how I'm going to then use this in my everyday life as it helps me improve my day-to-day when it comes to how I conduct business. And so I think it did a great job of transcribing what I said correctly. And so some additional features is that I can summarize what I said. So I can click the summary button and then it'll go to work and it says, AI updates in iPhone Notes improve user experience and will be used to enhance business conduct in daily life, which is overall a good summary of what I said in the audio recording. And then if I want to see the transcript of what I said in the recording, I'm going to hit these 3 dots at the top, and then I'm going to say add transcript to notes. And so once I do that, the whole entire transcript is going to show up here. A really nice feature that I like is that, let's say I get inspired as I'm going for a walk. I can record something really good. Let's say 10 hours later, I come back and want to finish up what I was talking about. What's really good is that I can right click the audio recording and then select add to recording. And so I can finish talking, or I can finish saying what I was previously talking about and keep what I'm saying all within one recording so that I don't have two different recordings. And this works if I want to continue the conversation a week from now, 2 weeks from now. I can always go back to this recording and add onto it and get the transcribed notes from what I've said. And so I'm going to hit pause now. And then once I hit pause, I'm going to hit stop. And then as you see, I'm going to double click it. And then you see everything that I just said that I was recording is now added to the transcript. Click the three dots and then select add transcript to notes. And now I see all of these notes that I just said, plus the notes that I said earlier in the day. And so this is a game changer that's going to help anybody that wants to organize their thoughts. But the new AI updates doesn't end there. I can highlight the text that I just said, and then I can right click, and then I have a couple of options. And so I can click writing tools. And so you see here, I can proofread. Did I make sure to spell everything correctly? I can decide to change the tone. I can make it friendlier, make it professional, or make it more concise. I can also do all of the changes I showed you earlier, like summarizing, have it list out key points. I can make a list, or I can make a table. In addition, I can translate this text into another language. And so if I highlight the text, I hit right click, and then I can select translate. I then have the option to translate this to over 15 different languages. And so I can change this to German, French, Dutch, or Chinese. And so for now, let's go with Spanish and then select copy translation. And so as you see here below, we have the Spanish version. And so just a little bit, hola, esta es una prueba en la que estoy. Apple, if you're listening to this, one benefit that I would really like to see, that would be huge, is if you could transcribe the notes that I record in English to Spanish in my voice. And so if I wanted to record a YouTube video in French, but I didn't know French, it'd be great if I could record it in English. You would take my English voice and then say the same text in French using my voice. Now that would be amazing. If you have any recommendations on the AI updates you suggest Apple include in notes, comment below. And if it gets enough likes, hopefully Apple will see it and make some changes. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and feel free to join my free business community where we talk about grants, AI, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.